Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to remove Roblox PIN if you forgot it. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. First, head on over to the Roblox application on your mobile. So if you go to settings and tap on parental controls, if you have the parent PIN enabled, this PIN must be provided before changing any type of settings on Roblox. However, if you do not remember this PIN, then the only way you can remove this PIN or recover this PIN is to contact Roblox support. So go ahead and go back to the main menu, and if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the help option. Tap on it. From the help section, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see on promoted articles there's I forgot the PIN. If you do not find this, you can go ahead and also search it up on the search box for search our articles. Go ahead and type I forgot the PIN and it will lead you to the same page as this link. After that, go ahead and tap on the contact form that is highlighted in blue. Tap on it. This will redirect you to the Roblox website. Over here on this page, you'll be able to see the login button. Simply tap on it. After that, tap on your username, email, and then your password. After doing so, you'll be able to see that you've been redirected to the Contact Us page. Under the Contact Us page, go ahead and enter all the information. On the first name, it is completely optional to enter your first name. Go ahead and enter your email address and confirm that email address. Now, under issue details, on the first option, you're going to go ahead and select the device you are having the problem on. So select the type of device that you use your Roblox on. If you have an Android, go ahead and select the Android option. On the type of help category, tap on the drop down and you'll be able to see all these options to categorize your issue that you're having on Roblox. Select the first option, which is account hacked or can't log in. After that, you'll be able to see another drop down appear, so tap on it and select on account PIN. And now on description of issue, go ahead and describe how you've forgotten the PIN to your Roblox account and that you want to remove it or recover it, and then tap on the submit button that appears on the bottom of your screen. After doing so, Roblox support shall get back to you within a certain amount of time and it should help you out on removing your Roblox PIN if you forget it. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.